Today, I'll walk you through how to adjust the x-axis parameter or range in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to customize your x-axis settings so you can enhance the clarity and effectiveness of your visualizations. Let's get started. First, open your Power BI dashboard. This is where all your data comes to life, and it's essential to have the right visuals in place to convey your message effectively. Next, select your visual. Click on the chart you want to adjust, whether it's a line chart, area chart, or scatter plot. This is like choosing the canvas for your artwork. Selecting the right visual is crucial for presenting your data accurately. Now let's open the Format pane. Navigate to the Visualizations pane on the right-hand side of your screen and click on the Format Your Visual icon, which looks like a paintbrush. This pane is your toolbox, filled with options to customize your visual to fit your needs. Once you have the Format pane open, navigate to the X-axis settings. Click to expand the X-axis card. This section allows you to control how your data is represented along the horizontal axis, giving you the power to adjust the scale and range of your visual. Next, locate the range settings. Here, you will find the subsection dedicated to setting the minimum and maximum values for your x-axis. Now let's set the minimum and maximum values. For the minimum, type in your starting boundary value or select a specific date. If you prefer, you can leave it blank, and Power BI will automatically calculate the start based on your data. For the maximum, type in your ending boundary value to lock the rightmost limit of your graph. This step is crucial, as it allows you to focus on the data range that matters most to your analysis. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps are generally the same across versions. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted the x-axis parameter or range in Power BI. This simple adjustment can significantly enhance the readability and impact of your visuals, making your data storytelling more effective. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.